Now, I've got to get all this stuff off of here. Take my brushes. And then before I put anything new back in, I'm going to have to treat this. Got to remember to do that before I put any new wood up. Right. One more nail, a couple more nails or staples back here. I just want to make sure they don't get in my way. I don't think they will, but trying to go through two nails. There. Okay. They're down. It looks pretty good. I think I'm going to leave it. Let's see if I can't get any more of this. Now see this top plate, I reached in there from before and just started digging it as best I could up in here. And I think it'll come down even further than that. You see that stuff? I mean, at some point I've just got to call it quits and do the best I can. Probably going to straighten that out. It's kind of solid up to about this point here. So I'll chisel that out and stuff. And then I've got to cut. I've got to take this out, and I'm going to take it out next to the pencil line, or just beyond it. But just beyond it, there's staples, see? See the staples? I don't want to hit the blade on that. With my skill saw, I can set my skill saw 3/8 of an inch or so. But then lots of it I'm going to have to do with the Sawzall, because I can't get my saw all the way down here to the bottom. I'm going to have to use the Sawzall kind of up at an angle about here. Then I can use the saw up to about here, up to about right here or so. And then this top bit I'll have to do with the Sawzall coming down at an angle. Good Lord. And I'll try not to cut it all the way in there, but if I hit the paper, I hit the paper. No two ways about that. It's on the exterior of the stairs. Here's the paper here. The water comes down on the outside of that, comes down, overlaps this piece on the outside underneath the stucco, and then goes out. And that's how that works. But this stuff, this is pretty bad right in here. See there? If I can do that, that means that needs to go away. See, I can just poke that straight in, nice and easy. See there? Good grief. And it gets a little stronger over to here. I might be able to chisel a line on that like I did before. I'll figure something, and I'll pull that piece out next. I didn't do any of the things I said you could have done to cut that. You know, this wasn't hard all the way, so I took my sheetrock knife, it's all dull now, and I scored it, and I kept digging it out, and digging it out, and digging it out, and I made a line in there all the way down, and I didn't, it's not going all the way, you know, but enough to probably get this to score off, you know, break off right there. See, that was pretty bad stuff. I'll get it from the side and get this whole side loose. Then maybe I can swivel the rest off and snap it right off. So that's what my goal is. See, I got all the staples to mess with. I had the staples bent down on this board because I thought I was going to keep it. And so I had to bend them back up. All these staples. So I'll keep working at it. I did take the Sawzall at the very bottom and scored the bottom there. But hey, little by little, I'm going to be a beaver and get this piece off. Hey, well, I used the back of my hammer and split it off halfway, the thickness. Then the last little bit will come off. This OSB, it's just a whole lot of pieces glued together, and so if you get it a little bit thinner, it should come off. I'll work on that a little bit more. I want you to see this down here. snapped off. Now, I just have to mess with this down low and on the sides. I got staples in my way. It's just slow going, but you'll get it. You're curious how I'm going to fix this, aren't you? Okay, I'll keep working on that until I'm done. See there? That looks good, huh? All the way up. And I'm at a good stopping point for today. Ooh-wee. I think I'm gonna stop for today. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I'll be back in the pit tomorrow and we'll find something else to do.